Right, Mina, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm coming down now.
Okay.
Hi! Now bye! Hi, today guys we're gonna go down the slide with my cousin Ava here.
Is everyone down?
Yeah, everybody. And that's just a fairy there. So, and we're ready to go. Here we go.
Oh, wait, reload down. Oh no!
Well, that was a bad situation because my cousin Ava's dead. Well, not anymore. See you later, guys. Bye. Hi, so I'm just going down the slide today. And Ava's just climbing up, so let's go down. Why is it so hard to climb up? Oh, that was fun. Oof. Now let's go and find Ava.
Oscar! Wait, go back. Have you stopped it?
No.
Stop it.
Hold on tight.
Holding on. Head back, head back, head back. You get up?
Hold on. Good.
Hi, today we're gonna go on the slide again, but it's gonna be a different one. Come on, let's go.
Be careful.
Scoop dive.
Hey, you up?
Hey, so Ava's just climbing up, so yeah.
See the way.
So come on, let's go.
So we're gonna go on together.
Yeah. Gonna go on together. And I'm gonna go on Ava's lap. It's a bit dark in here, but yeah.
Have you got it?
We're gonna go. Woo! Woo!
That worked.
That was fun. See you later, guys. Bye.